Thanks for enrolling in this course. This is a course about how to edit using Final Cut Pro, using a course promotional video as the main focus of the course. Throughout, we'll take you through many of the features associated with Final Cut Pro, from the library, from the events, from creating a project, and then how to sort out the clips on the hard drive from your SD cards or wherever you have sourced them from, putting them into folders so that when you import them into Final Cut Pro, you can easily access them. Now, in this particular course, I haven't gone through paperwork like scripts or log sheets, although those things could be useful. What I've tried to do is take it from the perspective of someone who is just dragging clips into a folder and hoping that they'll find something to edit together. So it's not overly produced at the very beginning, but the editing process is the normal way that I would go through on anything from a documentary to a drama to a promotional video or anything. So it's using that experience to take you through this course. We go through importing clips, putting the first pieces onto the timeline, including the opening title sequence and a piece to camera, and then working through the clips that are in the folders to overlay so that you have a finished piece that looks more like a documentary than just a simple piece to camera. The course is not about how to film the material. That is left to other courses to inform you. It is purely about the editing process. And as we go through the edit, you'll see I'm making decisions about how to process what I have in the timeline, where edits should come compared to the soundtrack, either the voiceover or the music, how to work an MP3 file in Audacity so that it could be exported as a WAV file or an AIF file, which is more suitable for editing in Final Cut Pro, and then how to apply certain filters onto the audio track, especially the piece to camera, so you cut down background sound. We then go on to look at some of the titles that are available in Final Cut Pro and how to use some of the animated templates as opening title sequences. We then finish off by doing some color correction and then export using the share feature and compressor. And one of the things that we do share is how to upload the video to YouTube. And that's basically what the course is all about. So I hope you enjoy the material I've provided for you. There is about 5 hours worth of course material to go through, and there will be quizzes to help you with your learning as you go through. So thanks for enrolling.